Hello, magandang hapon sa ating lahat dito sa Montreal at magandang umaga dyan sa Pilipinas. Ito mga pare ko at meron naman tayong part-time ngayon. Maghahatid sundo tayo ng bata. Dadalhin namin sa swimming pool. May swimming training yung bata. At pagkatapos noon, diretso uli kami sa isang trabaho pa doon sa Westmount. Maglilinis naman kami ng building, ng law office. Pagkatapos dadalhin namin itong bata doon sa swimming pool alas 6. At ako ay naglalakad dito, papunta ako doon sa lugar na tirahan ng bata. At ang asawa ko nandun na. Kanina pa siya doon, hinihintay ako ngayon. Dito ako nagdaan sa Villa Maria University. Ito ang pinaka shortcut na daan dito papunta ron sa bahay ng aming part-time. At lalakad ako mga 10 minutes, nandun ako. At 6 o'clock daw kami aalis diretso ng Charlevoix. Doon namin dadalhin, medyo malayo pa yon, mga 15 minutes drive hanggang doon sa Charlevoix. Tapos hihintay namin yung bata doon 1 oras. Kami magagala-gala na lang muna doon habang hinihintay namin yung bata na nagsuswimming. Okay, ito. Lakad-lakad lang tayo. Dito tayo dadaan sa park. Yan. Maganda tong university ng Villa Maria. Maluwang. Ayan na yung kanyang field. Ganda, luwag. Kakatuwa. Yan. At ito naman, yan ang eskwelahan. Nagawa na natin ang content dito. Nung winter, nung spring, yan, itong summer, tama-tama, napadaan ulit tayo dito. Ito kasi ang pinakamalapit na daan dun sa bahay na pupuntahan namin. Lalakad ko lang dito mula Villa Maria Station. Yan, ito, malapit na tayo dito sa palabas, dito sa compound ng Villa Maria University. Ayan, nandito na tayo. Diyan tayo dadaan sa daan yan, nakakanan tayo pababa. Yan, dito may iskinita rito palabas doon sa street ng bata. Ayan, dito. Ayan. Kahit winter, dito ako dumadaan. Pagka winter, naglalakad pa rin ako dito. Punong-puno ng isnetong daan na to. May iskinita. Ito, dito na tayo sa street. Diretso lang tayo. Doon na, malayo-layo pa. Aray lang natin. Dalawang kanto pa. Nandun na tayo. Malalaki rin ang bahay dito sa street na to. Mayayaman din ang nakatira dito. Lalaki ng bahay. Yan yung mga gamit dito na tinatapon na. Yan. Ay, mga kama, ayos pa. At may ano pa, may shelves na maganda, pwede pa yan. Yan, malapit na tayo. Pababa na. Yan. Dito na tayo. Dito sa text ko na yung asawa ko. Dito na tayo. Eto guys, paalis na kami dito sa bahay ng bata. Punta na kami ng Charlevoix. 6 o'clock ang kanyang 7 o'clock ba? Kanyang training. Mga 20 minutes drive. Yan, tama naman ang daan dito. Para ka nag-horse riding. Ganito rito pagka summer. Kabi-kabi lang ginagawang
You just
construction.
Turn
Ayan.
off the Bluetooth thing. Constructions here.
Ayan, ang haba ng ginagawa dito. Yan.
Crazy here.
Hmm.
We should have taken the Westmount.
West.
No, we're not gonna go there, Siri. Siri, our way is better than yours. We're not taking that because it's...
Okay, so you are gonna go?
Yeah?
Okay. So what's your plan? You're gonna drop her off at
Yeah.
100 drops? Was that the idea?
We're gonna drop her off after swimming.
No, I know you're gonna drop her off, but what was the plan for picking her up?
Yeah, I have to wait for her because Ralph is not available. I think Blue is sick.
Okay.
We're on our way to swimming.
Okay. So he is on call.
Yeah. Not on call, cardiac.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So now are you gonna drop her off then?
We're gonna drop off Eloise at your place. Because I have work after.
Sorry, just say that again.
After her swimming, we're gonna bring home Eloise. Then I'm gonna heading to my other work.
Right. So what I'm trying to see, I don't know that you need to wait. When I picked you up, every single time I picked you up, you guys are still in the shower.
No. It was only
It's traffic. Yeah, sometimes like right now it's traffic. So yeah.
Okay.
So you want to pick her up after?
Well, the way I'm trying to figure it out because if it's easy if I can take the metro, we can take the metro back. So I'm just Googling now where this is, that if it's close to a metro that we can take.
Yeah, it's the Metro Charlevoix. Charlevoix. I don't know how you say that.
How was your day off? Hello?
I said good.
Oh, okay.
Ooh,
Okay.
traffic here.
Yeah, I am. There's a lake.
It's just here around Westmount that's traffic, but
Yeah, you guys are gonna get there really early, right? If it starts at 6:30.
yeah.
But we can do, I don't know, what do you
Mommy,
Have to
not
walk.
the metro at 7:30 after
What's
I
that?
just did a big swimming workout. I'm always fast.
She's always fast. I pick more traffic, like to the Gary. But I should have taken to the what street is that? Along Victoria instead of here.
What time are we gonna get there?
Well, we get there before 6:30, man. Because you know me. Good thing is Jenny always like an advanced time.
Big
Traffic kami dito at ginagawa yung kalsada. Kasalukuyang ini-espalto ngayon. At katatapos lang nilang gawin yung mga gutter nila. Ito, mahaba-haba pa itong traffic na to.
Pag diretso tayo dyan eh. Di ba?
Ayan, oo. Ayan, at
Oh, lala. What's the...
tatapos na hanggang dito. Ayan, mabilis na yan. Ayan, o. Ayan, nag-espalto sila rito. Ayan, traffic eh. Ayan, nakalagpas din sa traffic. At diretso na to.
We're avoiding all the traffic that we could.
In 600 meters, turn right onto Avenue Agwater.
Yeah. Green is the best. Yeah, I want construction. More construction na, Luis. When you go on Wednesday with your daddy, you have to go early. Like 50. Today we take 10 minutes more earlier. We have to do it 15 minutes. Oh my god, everything is closed. Look. This is closed too. How come that's in my... See, there's a big construction and green as well. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay. Ay, nako. Look at that guy.
He's so
Ayan, kakaiba rito sa Montreal, mga pare ko. Ito nyo, habang traffic, sa stoplight, may nagmamagic. Ayan, yan ah. May nag-i-exhibition pa. Oh, ang daming bola. Ilan ba yung bola niya? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oo, error. Hindi siya marunong. Error, eh. Oh.
Ay, nako.
Mga ano ito, namamalimos. Yan.
Notre Dame, Rue Notre Dame West. Dame, Rue Notre Dame West, then turn left onto Rue Charlevoix.
wait me in front for a while. To pick me up.
Yeah. Like last time, my love, we waited at the bench in front, right?
At the light, turn left onto Rue Charlevoix.
Today. Catch the light, catch the light, catch the light, catch the light, sorry.
You got the light.
Did
It
it.
always takes forever.
Dito na kami sa
In 200 meters, turn left onto Rue Mullins.
station. Lapit na. Mas manandaan talaga. Wala kaya.
At the light, turn left onto Rue Mullins.
Here.
In 300 meters, turn left onto Rue de Hibernia.
No. Okay, here.
Your destination is on the right.
Ta. No,
Ayun,
I'm
at
not.
nakarating din kami sa swimming pool.
I'll come and check.
At nasa loob na yung bata, sa swimming na. At nandito kami sa labas, pupunta kami doon sa tindahan ng donut. Nga pala, mga parkoy, malamig na. Nag-umpisa na ang lamig dito. Pagkahapon, ngayon 19 degrees, malamig.
Kahit 20, malamig.
Wala na, umpisa na ng taglamig talaga. Talagang makakapanginig na. 19 degrees pa lang yan. May malakas pa ang hangin. Tinihintay namin. Isang oras yun doon. 7:30 pa yung mga tatapos. Hintay namin. Ito, nandito kami sa coffee shop na masarap ang donut. Sana meron pa. Baka mamaya wala na.
Sarado na.
Ay, sarado na.
Yeah.
Patay. Ayun na. Pagsaraduhan kami. Wala na. Ay, nako. Pagsaraduhan kami. Di panyor yan eh. Kahanap kami nga ibang coffee shop sa. Eh sarado na ka. Aga naman kasi magsarado yun eh. Alas 6 pa lang sarado na sila. Naku. Eh, lalo pa rin eh. Tago yung nasa loob to eh. Residential area. Oh,
Magkatabi pa tong simbahan na to.
oh, magkatabi. Eh ito na na-ay ko na yung ito hanggang doon sa ano, walang tindahan dito yan. Ba yan? Sarado na rin. Ano? Wala kami makitang coffee shop. Wala kami matambayan. Eh masarap sana humigop ng kape. Malamig na eh. Yan eh residential area to eh. Kaya mahirap makakita ng coffee shop dito. Ayun, kaya sa isang coffee shop din masarap sana eh. Aga naman nagsara. Tingin tayo dyan. Bandar yan pa na konti. Yan. Bar naman to, bar. At mga pare ko, at natapos din kami. Lumabas na yung bata galing nga pag-swimming, 7:45 yan, hahatid na namin ito sa kanila, tapos diretso naman kami doon sa aming maglilinisan. Pero saglit lang naman yan, 1 hour lang yan, tapos na yung law
Oh.
office.
Who doesn't have a seatbelt?
Oh, okay.
Turn left onto Rue des Seigneurs.
Yeah, mas mabilis pagka pauwi kasi yung daan eh dire-diretso lang, hindi katulad pagka papunta rito. Maraming pasikot-sikot. Tapos naipit pa kami doon sa ginagawang kalsada. 20 minutes din ata yung tagal. Ito mabilis lang.
Uy,
Dito agad kami sa
tulay.
maliit na tulay ng Lachine Canal.
Oh, Ella used to do boating here with her mom
Yan.
No, I did it once.
once.
Yeah. But it was really cool.
Yan. Saka lalakad ko dito.
That's actually bad.
Kababla.
Yeah, that's Valerie's building.
Nakabisado ko na yung mga daan dito paglalakad. Yan. Dati ligaw na ligaw ako dito eh. Ngayon hindi na.
I was gonna ask, does a vaccine hurt more than an EpiPen? Because the EpiPen, I was squeezing my hand so much.
Oh, really?
In 300 meters, turn left onto Rue Saint Antoine West.
What's it eating me?
In 600
bilis.
meters, turn right onto Avenue Atwater.
Taking your lane.
Dito na tayo sa George Spanye Metro. Oo nga, ito mo, kabisado ko na. Wala nakaligaw-ligaw. Mas mabilis dito pa uwi pag
It's easy to
Ada.
go back than to come here because it's like it's one way. One way, one way.
yan. Eh, kung pwede lang dyan eh, bilis eh.
Because of the traffic. Because we left like 5 minutes before 6 and then we arrived at 6:27.
In 600 meters, turn left onto Boulevard de Maisonneuve West.
Turn left here. You cannot turn left here. See? Maybe.
There are police reported ahead.
See? You cannot. This one. I'm sorry, there's no budget. That's what he said to me.
Sa bad ka.
It's like, what? Come on.
But like, have you ever gotten stopped by a police?
No,
Have you ever been in a car that got stopped by a police?
not at all.
I have.
Why? Oh yeah, I remember you and your mom because she doesn't have. What happened? She turned into that street, Which suppose she's not going to turn because it's
And her driving license.
and she doesn't have a driving license, right?
No, her driving license had like expired or she hadn't paid it or something. Or like something like that. Wait, can her driving license expire?
No.
Or like, do you have to pay your driver's license?
Yes, and it's
Yeah, she hadn't
expensive.
paid it for like a long time. She hadn't paid her driver's license for like a long time. So she couldn't drive.
At the light, turn left onto Boulevard de Maisonneuve West.
Alexis.
Well, let's see if we could turn here.
In 200 meters, your destination will be on.
We're good.
Ito at nandito na kami, nahatid na namin ng bata sa bahay nila. At kami didiretso na doon sa aming isa pang tatrabahuan at aming lilinisin doon ng law office. Okay, maraming salamat sa mga subscriber, sa mga new subscriber. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. At sana palagi kayong suporta sa lahat ng aking gagawing content. Kaya paalis na kami dito. Okay? Hanggang dito lang. Maraming salamat. Bye bye.